Hello friends, Namaste and welcome. How are you? I hope you are great and you are preparing for your Tier 2 exam in a very well and robust manner. So today we are going to have a mock analysis of the quant section of the mock test, or we can say that All India mock test, which probably you took in the last weekend, right? So today we are going to see the quant section solution, right? So first question is on your screen and this question is totally based on the formula, right? If you know the formula, you can directly do the question. See, the centroid of an equilateral triangle. See, I can enlarge it, right? I think now this is visible to you all, right? See, the question is saying the centroid of an equilateral triangle. See, centroid is the intersection point of all median. This is the equilateral triangle, all sides are equal, right? And this is the centroid. So we can say that, see, ABC is the triangle. Now we have to find the length of OB. OB is the centroid, so we can say that this is going to be the radius, right, of the circumcircle. So this is becoming the circumradius, and we know the formula of the circumcircle. So radius of the circumcircle, known as circumradius, is always given by side divided by root 3, right? So we have side is what? 8. So 8 divided by root 3 is the right answer. So directly we can use the formula. So we can say that C part is the right answer. So this is directly based on the formula, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, if M and O and P are the positive number and the sum of all is equal to 1, right? It means that they are in fraction, and then find the least value. If we have to find the least value of their reciprocals, right? Whenever we have some positive number and we have to find the least value for their reciprocals, so put all of them equal, right? So we are going to put M is equal to N is equal to O is equal to P, right? So we can say that, so each one is going to be 1/4, right? 1/4. See, we have to calculate the sum of their reciprocal. So the sum of their reciprocal 1/4. So we can say that 1/1/4 plus 1/1/4 plus 1/1/4 plus 1/1/4. So this will be converted into 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we can say that 16 is the right answer. C, Chennai Express is the right answer. Got the point? Yes. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying, please tell me everyone what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, tell me. Nitrapriya, tell me what is the right answer for this question. Yes, please. Yes, tell me. See, the question is saying the ratio of the present age of P to Q is, see, the ratio of the present age of P to Q is what? P to Q is what? 2:5, right? 2:5 respectively. 6 years hence, the ratio of the age of P to Q will become 4:7, right? It will become 4:7. See, the difference between the corresponding age of P present and after 6 years is going to be 2 unit, right? So here the difference is 2 unit, but in actual it is going to be 6. So we can say that 2 is equal to 6 years, right? So how many times? So it is 3 times. Now the question is asking what is the difference between their ages 4 years ago. See, when we have to calculate or we have to focus on the difference between the age of two objects, right? So whether we are taking at the present moment, for the future moment or past moment, at every moment the difference between both object or any two object is always remains same. let's say we can take an example. If I ask you what is the difference between the age of your parents, means mother and father, if you say that the difference is 2 years, right? So it will remain forever. Now after 10 years, the difference between the parents, mother and father, will be 2 years, and before the 5 years it was 2 years, right? So difference is not going to change, right? Or we can say that we can measure for any, right? So we can say that the difference is here 3 unit, right? So 1 unit is equal to 3, so 3 unit is equal to 9 years. So we can say that the difference, if we take the present, right, if we take the present ratio, the difference is also here 3. So 3 is going to be 3 into 3, 9 years, right? So no problem in this. So we can say that B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, in a class of 50 students, the blood group of 18 student is A, and the blood group of 5 student is AB, and the blood group of 7 student is O, right? And the blood group of 20 student is B. If student is chosen, one student is chosen at randomly, what is the probability of blood group of O? See, the probability of any event is given by favorable case divided by total number of possible cases. Now we have to select one candidate, one student who belong to O blood group, right? So how many students we have who are having O blood group? Only 7. So favorable case will be 7, right? So 7 by total number of student, how much? 50. So we can say that 7 by 50 is the right answer. So B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to the next question. Moving to the next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, X varies inversely as Y. See, whenever there is a inversely proportional, so we have studied, see, the efficiency is inversely proportional to time, speed is inversely proportional to time, price is inversely proportional to consumption. So we know that for inversely proportional, if I say that the ratio of price is X is to Y, right? So the ratio for consumption would be Y is to X. This is the case of inversely proportional. So here we can apply this funda and we can directly say that the value for, see, the initial value and final value. If I take the ratio for X, the ratio for value X, the initial value is what? Initial value is 12, right? Now tell me what is the final value for X is 9.6. So we can say that point is cancelled out. So we can say that by 12 this is 10 time and by 12 this is 8 time. So the ratio is going to be 5 is to 4, right? For X. Now the ratio for Y, it is going to 4 is to 5 directly. So present value or initial value for X, Y is 4 units. So the final value would be 5, right? So the initial value is what? 5. So we can say that 4 is equal to 5. So what is the value for 1? 5 divided by 4. So what is the value for 5? So we can say that 25 divided by 4, 6.25 is the right answer, right? So with ease we can solve this question. So we can say that A part is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, 6.25 is the right answer. So here we can apply the concept, or we can say logical approach of inversely proportional. If we know this, so we can solve it without basic also, right? Otherwise you will have to follow the basic, and you know the basic is what? When inversely proportional, so you can say that X is inversely proportional to Y. So you would have to calculate the value for K, right? Yes, no problem. X inversely proportional to Y, right? So moving to next question. So no need to go with basics, right? Just move to the next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very easy question, right? So this is a question of simplification. This is a question of simplification. So you can check it, right? See, view the solution. Okay, no problem. Sorry. Yes. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, A is the right answer. Again, very, very simple question. See, the square root of, we know that the square root of 784 is 28, right? Into 5, then minus question mark, we take x for question marks, is equal to 18 into 22, 18 to the 36, so 396 minus 286, so we will get 0, so we will get 110, right? See, 0 1 1 is equal to, here is what, 28 into 5, how much? 25 into 5, 125, 125 and 15, so 140. 140 minus x, x is equal to 30. 30 is the right answer. Again, very, very easy question, right? Tell me what is the answer for next question. Question number 7. See, the number is divisible by, whenever you see 1 2 3 1 2 3, see, there is a repetition of 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so this number is going to be divisible by 1001, right? So divisible by all, right? So D part is the right answer. Again, very easy question, right? No need for any discussion. Yes. Now tell me answer of this question. This is the good question, right? Yes, please. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. The total number of employees in an office that has two teams of marketing and sales is 300, right? The average amount of money that an employee spent per day is, so we have the average, right? That is 285. The average amount of money that an employee in team sales spent per day is 30% more than that of the employee in marketing team, right? Why in marketing team? See, an employee in sales team spent 30% more. So 30% more means 30% is going to be 3 by 10, right? Yes, so we can say that the sales team, see, sales team is spending 30% more than marketing, right? So if the base is marketing, so we can say that 10x, right? So this is going to be 13x, no problem. Yes, so what is the combined average? Combined average is 285. So here we are going to apply the allegation approach, right? And the number of employees in the team is 12.5 less than in team of the marketing. So 1 upon 8. So this is marketing, so less. So we can say that sale for 7, right? So we can say that the ratio for number of people is 7:8, right? So here we can say that the diagonal difference is what? Diagonal difference is what? See, so we can say that, see, obvious, 10x is less than the 13x. So we can say that 285 minus 10x, right, divided by 13x minus 285 must be equal to 7 by 18. Is this clear? So just cross multiply and solve this and tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, what is the answer for this? Now tell me what is the value for the average amount of money spent an employee in team marketing spent per day, right? Yes, please. So after solving you will get, right, how much? So you will get x is equal to 25, right? After solving you will get x is equal to 25. So the spend in marketing, that is 10x, so 10 into 25. So we can say that 250 is the right answer. 250 is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. So moving forward, now tell me what is the answer for this question. Again, very, very easy question. See, 1 upon cost is what? Sec, right? 1 upon cot 10. So again sec plus 10. So this will become formula sec square minus tan square going to be 1. So A part is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the question is saying a container has 40 liter of syrup. If 8 liter of the syrup is replaced with water, right? Is replaced with water. Okay. So we can say that 8 liters is going replaced out of 40, right? So ratio is what? 8 5s are 40, 1 by 4. And this operation is repeated twice, right? And this operation is repeated twice. Then what will be the quantity of syrup in the final mixture? So we can say that 5 is to 4 and 5 is to 4, right? So this is the initial and final quantity and this is the remaining quantity, right? So we can say that now 25 to 16, right? So 25 is equal to 40. So 1 is equal to 40 divided by 25. What is the value for? Then what will be the quantity of sugar in the syrup? Right? So we can say that 16 unit. So 16 into 40 divided by 25. Just solve this by 5, 8 time by 5, 5 time, right? 128 divided by 16 8 is 128. Then 128 divided by 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is so 25.6, right? So 25.6 is the right answer. Yes. Yes, B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. So moving forward. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying the mark price of an article is 5 whole 1 upon 7% more than its cost price. More than its cost price means how much? 7 5s are 35. So this is 36 by 7, right? So we can say that this is the fraction of this percentage value, right? So we can say that the mark price of an article is more than. So if this is CP, this is the increase. So we can say that CP is 700 and MRP is what? MRP is 736, right? So what maximum discount can be offered shopkeeper to sell it at no profit, no loss? It means SP is equal to CP, right? If I am going to sell it at 700 because the purchasing price is 700, so there will be no loss. So we can say that maximum discount we can offer is equal to 36, right? So we can offer 36 discount and that is going to be at MRP, right? So discount upon MRP into 100, right? So just calculate it. So we can say that it is going to be 5%, right? How much? 5%. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. A Anarkali is the right answer. A Aravali Hills is the right answer. Yes, A Aravali Hills is the right answer. So one of the easy question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, the question is saying 15 men and 20 women can do a piece of work in 5 days. So here we can apply the MDH formula, right? What is the MDH formula? It says that if I take one man can do M work in a day and woman can do W work, right? So we can say that 15M plus 20W into 5, right? This is going to be equal 10 men plus 25 women can do the same work in 7 days, right? So with this, just putting equal, we will get the ratio of efficiency of men and women, right? So just multiply. So here we will get 15 into 5, 125 M plus 100 W would be equal to 70 M plus 25 into 7, right? So 25 into 7, 175 W, right? So we can say that 125 minus 70. So here we will get 55 M is equal to what? 75 W. So the ratio of man and woman is going to be by 5. This is 11 time by 5. This is 15 time. So 15 by 11, right? So the efficiency of man is 15 unit. Efficiency of woman is 11 unit. Now the question is asking 11 men and 10 women can do the same piece of work. So just making another equation. So we can take any one of it, right? So we can say that 15 men plus 20 women together can complete a work in 5 days, right? So in what time 11 men and 10 women together will take, right? So they will take D time, right? Just put M is equal to 15 and W is equal to 11, right? M is equal to 15 and W is equal to 11. So here we will get 225 plus 220 into 5, and this is going to be 165 plus 110, right, into D. So here we will get 275, right? So here we will get what? We will get 275, right? Is this clear? Yes. So 275 into D. So we can say that by 5 this is cancelled. How much time? 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. So here we will get 445 is equal to 55 into D, right? So by 5 this is 11 time, and this is going to be 5, yes, and by 5 5 8s are 45 9s are, right? So D is going to be daily class time is 5 p.m, right? So it is 5 p.m. Daily class timing is 5 p.m. Yes. I think there is some error. C. So my answer is coming C. So you can check it out. So this is the simple method, right? There might be some calculation error somewhere. So we can check the answer, right? View solution, yes. So this is providing A. So you can check it, right? Very easy question. You can check it, right? I think there might be some calculation error. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes. See, the question is saying two trains A and B are running in opposite direction. If the length of the train A and B, so their speeds are this, find the time. Time is given by total distance divided by relative speed, right? So total distance is going to be the sum of the length of train, right? So we can say that 120 plus 140, so it will be 260 divided by, they are in opposite direction, so the relative speed will be the sum of the speed, right? So we can say that 180, right, into, just convert it into meter per second, so 5 by 18, right? So we can say that 260 divided by 50, right, 0 0. So we can say that 5 5s are 25, 5.2 second is the right answer. Okay, 5.2 second is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. See, again very easy question, right? So here we can say that we can write this 2 by 9 plus 2 by 45 plus 2 by 105 plus 2 by how much? So we can say that 9, and here we will get 189 plus 2 by 7 and 9 297. Yes, please. So how you can do? So you can take 2 by 9 common, right? So you can take 2 by 9 common and you can solve this also, right? If you want to take, you can take 2 by 9 common, right? So 1 plus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon, so in 2 upon 9 is not common, right? Because we have 105, right? So we can say that 2 upon 9 is not common, right? 2 upon 9 is not common. Okay, so we have to use another approach. What can be the another approach? Yes, apply your mind. So what we can do, we can write it, see, so the difference, so we can say that we can break it, see, 3 minus 1 2, right? No problem, divided by 9 plus, and we can write this what, 7 minus 5, yes, or 5 by 3, yes, 5 by 3. So 5 minus 3 divided by 45, right? Or we can write this like, just think how we can break it. Yes, so we can write it 7 minus 5, right? 105 plus, then we can write it 9 minus 7, 189, and here we can write it 11 minus 9 upon 297, right? So we can break, we can take 3 by 9, right? Yes, so here we will get 3 by 9 minus 1 upon 9 plus 5 by 45 means 1 upon 9 minus 1 upon 15, right? Yes, 7 by 105, so 7 1 just 7, right? Minus 1 upon 21, right? So plus by 9, 1 upon, we can split the fraction, right? So 9 2s are and 9 1 minus 7 upon, or we can write it 1 upon 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are, right? Yes, so plus 1 upon 11, 11 2s are 22, 11 7s are, and then minus 9 1s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 9 3s are 27, right? See, these terms are getting cancelled, right? Minus plus minus plus minus plus getting cancelled. So we can say that 3 by 9 1 by 3, right? So here I will get 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 33. So 33 is the LCM, 11 minus 1, right? So we can say that 10 by 33, right? So 10 by 33 is the right answer. See how we can solve this, right? Yes. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, triangle GHI, see triangle GHI, GH is 8, GI is 10, and P is a point on HI such that GP is angle bisector. If GP is an angle bisector, so angle by property we can say that HP upon PI is going to be equal GH divided by GI. So this is the result of angle bisector theorem. So directly we can say that the ratio of this is going to be 8 by 10, 4:5, right? So 4:5 is the right answer. C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. So moving to next question. If you know the direct result, you can solve it. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to solve this. See, standard deviation of a given data is this. Then find the variance of the data. See, so this is very simple. Variance is always given by the square of standard deviation. So we can say that 0.82 into 0.82, right? So this is going to be 0.6724, right? If your calculation is strong, so you can check it just by observation. So we can say that A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please see. If P, Q, R are co-prime number, then which of the following is true? If P, Q, R are co-prime number, so they are HCF. See, P, Q, R are co-prime number. If they are co-prime number, so if I say that P is equal to 2, Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to 5, right? So the HCF of P is 2 and QR is what? 15. So their HCF is 1, not P. So first is not correct. P 2 and QR is 15. Yes, 1. Their HCF is, yes, 1. So we can say that B part is the right answer. So we can check it like this. So moving to next question, tell me what is the answer for this question. See, Arpit invests 25,000 in two scheme. In scheme A, he invests 16,000 at 5% per annum simple interest. He want to make a total profit 20% on the whole after 1 year. Okay, find the rate of interest at which he should invest in scheme B to get the desired profit. Yes, please tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, see, Arpit invests 25,000 into scheme A and B. In a scheme, he invests 16,000. In scheme A, he is investing how much? 16,000, right? So on 16,000, he will get 5% simple interest, right? For 2 years. How many years? After 1 year. After 1 year, okay? So we can say that the simple interest is going to be 16 5s are 80. Only 800 simple interest received from A part, right? Find the rate of interest at which he should invest the scheme B to get the desired return. See, he wants to earn 20%. 20% means 1 by 5. So we can say that 1 by 5 is what? 1 by 5 is going to be 5,000. Yes. So from the scheme B, he must earn how much? 5,000 minus 800 he always earns. So 4,200, right? So we can say that 4,200 simple interest barabar P. What is the principal? 25,000 minus 16,000. So it is going to be 9,000, right? Into R into 1 divided by 100, right? So we can say that 0 0 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, right? So R is going to be 420 divided by 9. So we can say that 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 0 divided by 3, right? So 140 by 3% is the right answer. Again, very easy question. A part is the right answer. Yes, you are right. A part is the right answer. Okay. So very easy question, right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, if the radius of a base of a cylinder is tripled, if the radius is triple, see, ratio of radius is triple means initially it is 1 and finally it is going to 3. The volume of the cylinder is 200% more than the volume of the original cylinder. Then what percent increase or decrease of the height of the new cylinder? Yes, please. Now tell me. See, in case of cylinder, so we can say that the ratio of height, right? So we are taking square of radius. This is the shortcut, and the height ratio presently x, now y, right? So this must be x is to 9y, right? So this must be equal to what? This must be equal to 200% more. So we can say that x upon 9y must be equal to, if we have, this is 1, right? So 200% more. So 200% more means what? This is going to be 3, right? So we can say that x upon y is going to be 3 upon 1, means initially this was 3 unit and now this is 1 unit. So it is going to be decreased by 2. So we can say that 2 by 3 into 100, right? So it is going to be decreased by 66 sold 2 upon 3%, right? 66 sold 2 upon 3%. So we can say that B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a dishonest shopkeeper claims to sell salt at a rate of 18 rupees per kg. The cost price of the salt is rupees 18, right? So it means the selling price or cost price is same. Not satisfied with this, he tries to make the profit by removing 130 gram from each kg, right? It means the profit percentage in dishonest shopkeeper case given by profit quantity, or we can say the quantity given less, right, divided by given quantity. So 1000 minus 130 into 100, right? So we can say that 130 divided by how much? So it is going to be 870, right, into 100. Just solve this. So how much we will get? The shopkeeper nearly. So it is going to be nearly how much? This is going to be 15%, right? So A part is the right answer. Yes, A part is the right answer. Okay. Yes, A part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, we have to calculate the median. Median is what? Just calculate. We have 6 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 divided by what? 2, right? So we are getting 2 numbers in middle, right? So third number, and see, the median is provided by the we can say 6 divided by 2 observation plus 6 plus 2 divided by 2 and then divided by 2. So we can say that third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. So this is the value of median. So we can say that they are in already ascending order. So third observation and fifth observation, sorry, third observation and fourth observation. So 60 plus m plus 28 divided by 2, this is equal to 60, right? So we can say that 60 plus m plus 28 is equal to 120, right? So we can say that m is going to be how much? 32, right? After solving this, we will get m is equal to 32. Yes, m is equal to 32 is the right answer. So moving to next. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. From a circle with the radius of this, a sector with the arc length 13 centimeter is cut. Find the area of the circle. See, the area of circle is always given by 1 upon 2 into length of arc into radius. Length of arc into radius. So 1 upon 2 into what is the length of arc? That is 13. And what is the radius? 18.25, right? So just solve this. Tell me what is the right answer. Yes, please. So after solving, you will get 118.625, right? So this is the calculation part. So just focus on this. So we can say that B part is the right answer. Yes, B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, a person borrows a sum of rupees 7,34,204 at the rate of 30% per annum simple interest. At the end of the first year, he repays rupees this towards return of principal amount borrowed. If he clears all pending dues at the end of the second year, right, including interest payment that accrues during the first year, okay, so how much does he pay at the end of the second year? So how much does he pay at the end of second year? Yes, please tell me. See, a person borrows a sum of rupees this at the rate of 30% per annum simple interest, right? So we can say that for the first year, so see, at the end of the first year, he repays how much? 51,604, right? So we can say that how much is the total interest? How much is the total interest? So we can say that the simple interest, see, The simple interest is going to be what? At rupees 734,204, right? So this amount is going to be used for 1 year, right? For 1 year at the rate of 30%, right? Plus now how much amount? The principal amount. He pays rupees towards principal, right? So we can say that 734,204 minus 51604. 510, so we can say that 4400, 12 minus 6, 6, right? So 3 minus 1, 2, and 13 minus 5, 8, 6, right? So into 30 into 1 divided by 100. So after calculating this, you will get the simple interest, right? So what you have to do, you have to just add the 682,600 plus simple interest value, right? So after this, you will get what? You will get the value of A part, right? So A part is the right answer, yes. So this is the method of solving. So please do the calculation part on your own. Because I am running short of time, that's why I am not going to solve this, right? So I have provided you the detail how you can solve it, right? So just solve this on your own. So whenever you get such kind of calculative questions, just try to do these questions in the last. If you have time, just then do it. Otherwise, leave that, right? See, if you are investing that much of time in the previous question, just do these questions like, because they are not going to take much time. We know that this is the identity based question, right? So cosec square A minus 1 is going to what? This is going to cot square A, right? So cot into tan square A into 1 plus tan square, that is sec square A. Cot tan cancelled because they are inversely proportional. So the sec, so the value is going to be 17 by 5 whole square, right? So it is going to be 289 divided by 25. See, within less, or we can say in 2 or 3 seconds, we can solve this question. So C part is the right answer. So your focus to be on these questions, right? So whenever you find calculative questions, right, so just ignore them and try to do them in the last. Tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. What is the answer of this question? See, the question is saying, so here we can use the concept of rationalization. So root 5 plus, just we can say that root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5, just take LCM of both, right? So we can say that root 5 square minus 2 square, right? So we can say that root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 minus 2, right? So root 5 is 5 square 5 minus 2 square 4. So here we will get 1, right? So here we will get 1. So we can say that minus will enter. So root 5 plus root 5 plus 2 minus root 5 plus 2, right? So minus root 5 cancel, and so we can say that 4 plus root 5 is the right answer. Yes, 4 plus root 5 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer of this question. See, this question completely depend on the formula, right? Which formula? AQ plus BQ plus CQ, right? AQ plus BQ plus CQ is equal to 0. If this is A part, this is B part, this is C part. So A plus B plus C is going to be 0. So we can say that this is equal to 3 bracket M minus N bracket N minus O bracket O minus M, right? In denominator we will get 3 M square minus N square bracket N square minus O square bracket O square minus M square, right? So we can say that M square minus N square is going to be M minus N, M plus N. So this is cancelled at M plus N time. This is cancelled at N plus O time, right? So this is cancelled by O plus M time, right? So 3 cancelled. So we can say that 1 upon 1 plus M into N plus O plus M is the right answer. C part is the right answer. If you know the formula, you can do this just by observation. No need to do such kind of calculation, right? So directly you can solve this, right? Just by observation, right? Yes, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the perimeter of a square whose diagonal. So diagonal of the square is known as root 2 into side, right? So root 2 into side is going to be equal to 15 root 2. Root 2 cancel, so we can say that side of square is equal to 15 is equal to that of the rectangle whose length is 10 centimeter more than its breadth. See, the question is saying rectangle whose length is 10 centimeter more than its breadth. If breadth is b, so the length is breadth plus 10, right? So the perimeter of the square, so what is the perimeter? So the perimeter of the square is going to be 4 into side 15, that is 60, is equal to that of, so we can say that twice of 2b plus 10 is going to be equal what? 60, right? So we can say that 2b, take the value for b, so that this must be equal to 30. So we can say that if I take value 10, right? Or after solving this, we will get b is equal to 10, right? So b is equal to 10. What is the length of the rectangle? So the length of the rectangle is 2b. So we can say that 2b plus 10, right? So we can say that, sorry, b plus 10, right? So this is going to be 20. So D part is the right answer. So the length of the, yes, D part is the right answer. Yes, D part is the right answer. See, length is equal to b plus 10 and b is equal to 10, 10 plus 10. So we can say that 20 is the right answer. Very easy question, right? So this is one of the very easy question. Moving to next, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, the ratio between the monthly income and expenditure of Amit is 11:5. If the income is increased by 20% and expenditure is decreased by 30%, then find the percentage increase or decrease in monthly saving. See, here we can apply the allegation approach if you know the approach, right? See, expenditure and saving combined make income, right? Or we can say income can be split into expenditure. So income is increased by 20%, no problem. Expenditure is increased by 30%. Let saving is increased by x%. So the ratio is 11:5, right? See, the difference is what? 10%. So we can say that here this is 2 times, right? So this is also 2 times. So we can say that here must be 22, right? So 22%. See, 20 is already less than this, right? So the difference is going to be, see, the ratio of the monthly income on expenditure. See. This is the income and expenditure. See, this is income and this is expenditure. So the saving is going to be what? 6. So just take 6 here. My mistake. Take 5 for expenditure and take 6 for saving. Income and expenditure. See, so the saving is going to be how much? 6 unit, right? So we can say that 6 unit is equal to 10. 1 unit is equal to what? 10 by 6. So we can say that 5 by 3%, right? So the value of 5 is equal to into 5 by 3. So we can say that 25 by 3%, right? So we can say that 20% minus x must be equal to 25 by 3%, right? So we can say that 60% minus 25% divided by 3 must be equal to x, right? So we can say that here 35% divided by 3 is equal to x, right? So x is equal to going to be 11 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So 11 whole 2 upon 3% decrease is the right answer. Okay, so we can say that, see, sorry, the income is increased by itna. So if the income is increased by 20%, okay, and this is going to be increased by, yes, 30%, okay. So we can say that yes, 11 whole 2 upon 3%, right? So 11 whole 2 upon 3% is the right answer. So we have yes. So this is going to be increase, not decrease, okay? Because we have taken it positive, right? See, we have taken it positive. That's why 20 minus x. Otherwise, 20 minus x, it will become plus. So the value for x is positive, not negative. So we are going to take this one, increase, right? So here we can apply the allegation approach, right? So moving to next, tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, the total surface area of hemisphere, is 12 by pi centimeter square. Find the diameter of the hemisphere. Yes, total surface, see, the total surface area of the hemisphere is going to be 3 pi r square is equal to 12 by pi, right? So here we can say that by 3 this is cancelled 4 times, right? So r square is going to be 4 upon pi square, right? So r is going to be 2 by pi, right? So pi, taking value of pi 22 by 7. So we can say that r is going to be 2 upon 22 into 7, right? So r is going to be what? 7 by 11, right? So find the diameter. Diameter is twice of r, right? So we can say that 14 by 11 is the right answer. 14 by 11 is the right answer. One of the very easy question, right? So moving to next question and last question of this session. Yes, please tell me what is the answer of this question. A, B and C invested rupees this respectively to start a business. If the share of B is 1280, then find the share of A and C together. See, the profit is always distributed in the ratio of their capital, right? So we can say that profit sharing ratio is equal to ratio of capital. That is going to be what? 0 0 cancelled, right? 0 0 cancelled, right? So we can say that can be cancelled it by, so this is not going to be cancelled, right? So we can cancel it by 3 3. Yes, so by 3 this is going to 3 5s are 15 and 3 4s are 12, right? By 3 3 4s are 12 and 3 4s are 12, 3 8s are 24, right? And 3 1s are 3 0, 3 5s are, right? So the share of B is this much, right? So we can say that again this is going to be cancelled by 3, right? So we can cancel it. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are, right? So this is the ratio, right? So we can say that 16 is equal to how much? 12820. Then find the share of A and C together, right? So we can check the multiple of 18 plus. See, the A and C together is going to how much? 18 plus 35. So we can say that 3, 1 carry 53, right? So how much time? 80 times. So this is also going to be the 80 time, right? So 0, 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 4s are 8 5s are 40, 40 and 2, 42, right? So 4240 is the right answer. So D part is the right answer. Yes, D part is the right answer. So we have done. So all questions are almost easy or moderate. No question was tough, right? So my dear friends, if you want to prepare with us in a systematic manner and you feel that you are little bit some confused and not able to check out your, or you're not able to gauge your performance, right? So what you can do, you can check out the current running batch, right? So that is going to be, just go to the Oliveboard website, right? Just go to the Oliveboard website. There is a 50% off with the code BIG, right? And go to the courses section. When you will go to the course section, you will get in the 4th column English medium courses, right? So there is a capsule course for RRB NTPC, and we have score boosters. This one, score booster MCQs batch, right? So this is going to be start, and this has already start yesterday, right? So when you will check this batch, right? So through this batch, see, score booster MCQ courses, right? And this batch has already started, right? So in this batch you will get 90 plus live session, practice session, and unlimited doubt clearing cases, right? So through this batch you can get the exam approaches, you can quickly revise your complete syllabus, right? And if you have any doubt, so you can directly talk to the faculties, right? So this is the best batch, and in last time you do not want to miss this opportunity, right? So just go for it and make your preparation to a, or take your preparation to a new height, right? So this is all from my side. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Jai Hind.